When you're using Pycharm editor, sometimes you want to create a 2D array using a Numpy module, and that module is not installed in your computer. So what to do if you want to install it? So you can come up here. If by then you can click on this icon. When you click on this icon, you can see this window there, and you can write Numpy here, and then you can search for it. There you see Numpy, and there you see installed. So you can click on install and click on the first option. This is this one is to install the latest version. You can click on it. It would take some time and install it in your computer system. Over here it says installing package Numpy. So it would take some time and then we'll install it there. Doing this indexing, and then this thing has been done. Installation completed. So when you come up here, this window appears. So 2.2.3 is now installed. So what